Next 24 hours, as you might expect, we drop off. Tomorrow morning, about 45 degrees at 5 a.m. That's still above average for this time of year. We're only supposed to have a high about 42. But notice what happens to the temperature. It just holds steady all day tomorrow. So a few scattered showers out there this evening. After midnight, we start to clear it away. And then tomorrow, you'll see the temperatures in the morning, 35 to 45, but they just don't go much of anywhere tomorrow. And the wind picks up as well. So tonight, we have the wind out of the south. What will happen is after midnight, the wind will go to the west, and it'll start to build. So tomorrow afternoon, you see what happens. And I think the strongest winds tomorrow will actually probably be with some elevation off to the north and west. And we'll keep those winds busy all the way until about midnight tomorrow night. That's the reason there's a wind advisory out. Goes into effect at 7 a.m. and goes until 7 p.m. It's not out of the question that we could see a gust or two approaching 50 miles an hour. So as you look ahead for tomorrow, windy conditions, steady temperatures, 44 degrees, but at least you get to enjoy some sunshine. I don't know if you'll enjoy the temperatures much with that wind that's going to be out there, but it will be something we'll be watching. So here's that frontal boundary that'll give us the cold air tonight and start ushering in the cooler air. And we have a very quiet day on Monday, a little chilly side, and then we watch this system coming at us on Tuesday. Looks like it'll get here on Monday night and then really kind of impacting the Tuesday morning commute, and the back edge of it's pretty quick. So I think we'll be ending it up by the time we get to that Tuesday evening commute. So really focus on that Tuesday morning more than anything else. As I look at the latest computer runs, I'm still thinking around 2 to 4 for Boston, 1 to 2 to the south. Get north of the Pike, we could see 4 to 6. And it really depends on exactly how this system tracks. If we get enough warm air surging in here, then you have to really focus on the lower end of these numbers. If it stays cold enough, then we'll kind of focus more toward the upper levels of those numbers. But again, all of this happening right for that Tuesday morning commute. Timing will not be good for this one. All right, let me show you what's going to happen over the next 7 days. We've got a windy day tomorrow and 46. We've got a cool sunny day on Monday and 38. And then we've got the snow coming in, that wintry mix. Down to the south coastal areas, much more mixing than there will be up along the border. And as we head for Wednesday, skies will be clearing away. Could be an isolated flurry and lots of clear skies on Thursday. But check out the high temperature. Only 26 degrees. That's about 15 degrees below normal for this time of year. Stays rather cold on Friday and Saturday with temperatures just in the mid to upper 30s. Kind of a chilly week coming our way, especially if we consider how warm we have been this week. That's my latest forecast for right now. I'm meteorologist Mike Wacom.